Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool little wallpaper or background made with this shape. So the first part of the video is going to be how to make that shape. Really pretty easy. Take an ellipse of any size. Let me zoom in here. Grab that and Control D and make a duplicate, and then change the rotation to the quadrant. Rotate it 120 degrees, and then Control D again. Instead of Control D, hit your plus key on the keyboard, grab that quadrant and put it to that quadrant. Control D to make a duplicate, and that's why I don't Control D. Control D to make a duplicate and move your center rotation now to the center of there and rotate it. It's already at 240, so we're going to need to go to 0 and then Control D again. Just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that. There you have that shape. Take your smart fill tool, fill it in. And there's a lot you could do with this. I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to go to the intersect tool, and I'm going to go to elliptical, and I'm going to make it a little like that. Maybe a little bit more down at the bottom. Now, a couple of ways to do this. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. Well, no, I'm not yet. You don't have to do that. Rotate this guy 60 degrees. Well, no, you know what? Control D and make a duplicate, and then rotate that guy 60 degrees. That's going to make them fit together. But we want to change this one to blue first. So we're going to go to the interactive fill tool, and we're going to put any color. I'm just going to go with that blue. Take that sharp point right there and have it snap to that point. Now, Control D to duplicate. Grab anywhere, whether you have a sharp point, and then if you hit it the first time, you can Control D a bunch. I'd go ahead and group it together with Control D to duplicate, and grab that sharp point right there and put it right there. And because I hit it the first time, I can keep going with Control D and I'll duplicate that effect. Pretty awesome background. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.